You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
All right. If you know the song, you can sing along. Ajoda bile, no matter where you go, make it no fucking area. Sing with me, area. Nanaja, zero day back ceiling, manawale. Sing with me, how I wish I fit in with you anywhere you did. Oh, oh, that's so far away. That's one no say me could even let it out. Oh, Magalani, she never somebody borrow you echo. Make you take trouble to Chicago. Remember not be selling car, so you go America. All those people, when they raise you, still they stay for first me and face you. Promise say you don't go fashion them. Say every other month you go to dash them, yo. Hillary, when you be promised to marry, they wait, oh boy, she don't marry. When she see you now inside the nation, you marry or you go from another nation. You sumago get go. Oh, you my wife don't know. Next thing you know, she don't go report you. What do you know? Not too much. Put your hands together for yourself. Wow. So you guys, they mind my song. I don't forget the lyrics. I'm not too sorry. Put your hands together for lovely yourselves. Good evening, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to Two Baba's celebration, or our celebration, of a career that spans 2 decades. Not just as a pawn, but as a king. Please put your hands together for the legend, the icon, Two Baba. It's not boss. It's not boss at all. And my name is Sam Sultan. I'm going to be your host for the night. Drum now, very loud. Hey, look at stadium now. Make it real. I will explain. So, coming here to announce myself as host, I was developing cold feet. Because I know this hotel crowd. If I tell them, say, I'm maybe host now, only them will think, why? Why is he the host? Because I'm somewhere down there at the bottom of the humor chain. Yes, now why would they call some sometimes musician? Don't worry, don't let your brain pain you. I'll tell you why. It's December. Alibaba is busy chasing sponsors. His show is in 2 days. You don't get time. Basket Mount is in Enugu. You know the shout Enugu is in Enugu. Bovi is in Ghana. Who else? AY they promoting movie. Everybody is busy hustling. So yeah, you ended up with me. So, and the funny thing is, if you are not clap, I came prepared. So you see, as they call me, now last minute they call me, even me I was shocked. Because Two-Face is my best friend. So he said, Bestie, hello, I didn't say you should clap. Because you need to get yourself a multi-purpose best friend, like me. that last minute you can call and say, look, guy, come host this show. And I will host the show for you for as low as 3 million naira. No shame.
Que não chega.
What was that? Get yourself a best friend that will do it for free. See, they don't be disrespectful already. Now let me tell you the truth why I'm here. I came up for this challenge because I've been procrastinating for 10 years now. For real. I want to shuttle, not be change career, just shuttle. Because I have this funny bone in me, I can crack jokes. But every time when I take a step, I hear, not be dang, I hear one actor, they try to sing, and all of them don't get joy for heart. Or I know they let their career last past one day. Somebody who I love for acting already, go come sing. When I go just generally just bone them. Come on, it's not sexy now. Why do you guys? When I take the step, I will just look and say, who do I talk to now? Who do I talk to? Because I will look, nothing when they do it, and I don't get joy for that. So somebody cannot be multi-talented again. So the guy comes to say, oh, but maybe not because this girl they sing song, slow song. So you can't go sing fast one and rap. You know, song when they play inside gym. But all of us still take eye. Say no. What's it happen? All these things they make me fear. Because already they don't call me, oh, legendary singer, legendary musician, sound sultan. So from legend now, come go inside new career, come go be upcoming. I will be backstage for comedy show. Small boy like Pencil will see me backstage at Sultan. No, you are going before me. Don't be conk. You think I did fear and I did fear where they know since. Will make me never enter this career because I did look and see them. So they will come they price me like 150K. And those people, you know, say some promoters they move well. They will come, they come and say, Sound Sultan, we need you as a comedian. Don't be this face I go carry come there. Put my face for poster. Come pay me as comedian. 150. God help me. Please, you people must help me. I don't need your help. See, I came prepared. I told you. I'm celebrating a friend, a brother. And I know. Say why they call me. Now I know, say na free. So I'm the cheapest they can. No, it's all good. You see, the first time I told myself, look, 2020, I'm going to become a comedian / I had to break the news to my band. So after 1 year, I just say, guys, listen, 2020, I chased my dream. I won't become comedian. It'd be like say I tell and say person die. All of them just frown. Then one of them will feel saying sharp just come. Baba, nice one, oh, Baba. You know, Baba, we always know you say you did very innovative and everything. So, how you go drum? Now we go drum. Say, now, after every joke where you crack, you just play like, oh, look at my brother. You know that this is my dream, oh? This is a solo dream, my brother. I mean, I don't hear what they call comedian band before. I'm sorry, I'm going alone. So, you see, in this situation that I find myself now, I don't prepare for everybody. I don't think I say, Gina, no go laugh. I even came with my backup because I'm a musician. I turned to comedian. Not be you. I have backup, don't worry. So it's just like, just imagine me as a musician. come out the other day. I see them basket mouth. All of them, then they try to, you know, is that? You know, because I don't do my pieces very well. I don't want to be like some other comedians. So, comedians will say, shut up, you know. Now you have a first sack. Shut up. When people begin to laugh to my jokes, I will sack them one by one. When people begin to laugh to my jokes, all of them are going to lose their job. After 150, I pay this one 10K, now 40K don't go again. They manage 90K. I don't want to be like some comedians. When they say that they host Paralympics people, they come out, come collect a medal and say everything. So they come call one comedian and they say, shut up. Go. You. Go. So, as they just say, making announce the Paralympics, now the comedian just says, thank you very much. The winners of the wheelchair weightlifting from the Olympics, please, can you stand up for recognition? And now you laugh, Momo. Please, laughers for hire. These ones are losing their job. Laughers for hire. Any laugher? Can you? Hey, shut up! Please, can anyone laughers for hire? 10K per show. Ladies and gentlemen, are you having fun? Right now, I want to bring on stage one of the legends that was instrumental for everything we see today in this wonderful career that's enjoyed 20 years. When I say instrumental, it's pun intended. Yes, he used to give us instrumental. Back then, you already know who I'm talking about. All the way from Ikoyi, Obalede, who know that place that here. Put your hands together for the legendary, the one and only king of all DJs in Africa, DJ Jimmy. What's going on about that? Jimmy. Baba is going to.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.